everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply a promo code on Tinder. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. The first step is to open Google on your mobile device. Now go ahead and tap on the search bar and type in Tinder. Tap on the first link that appears after the search. This takes you to the official page of Tinder. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now you can see a FAQ section. Tap on promo code. Now you can enter your promo code and tap on submit. This is the easiest way to apply promo code on Tinder. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.